Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, a lot of you have come here after watching my live stream with Ankur Wariku. In that live, I was talking about how I got lucky enough to find the right mentors in my life. Well, after that, I've been getting a lot of DMs on Instagram that we need your guidance. To be honest, I'm really occupied right now in my life, but I have created this video for anyone who is looking for a right mentor in their life to guide them throughout their career. A mentor is a person who has great experience in some specific field, and mentee is a person who is looking for a guidance and will experience a lot from his mentor's experience. When you're confused about your goals, your career, and you don't have many potential contacts, and then you connect with someone, their mindset, their goals, their thought process, you should definitely seek their mentorship. So it basically marks a journey from where you are to where you want to be. And it is going to open a huge world for you where you can build your own story and something will start to shift. So the difference basically lies in the kind of relationships. With coaches, you will have formal kind of relationship because they'll help you in achieving a specific kind of goal. With mentors, you'll have both formal and informal relationship. Mentors have a lot of experience, and experience is such an asset which no formal education can ever provide you. So don't just focus on their qualifications. There are a lot of other things to consider as well. So tell me something. When you watch people on YouTube and then you meet them in person, do you feel some sense of difference in their personalities? Well, that's what I'm talking about because it's not always the same case. So don't get distracted by shiny things. You should once meet them in person and then make any kind of perception about them. Know their core principles, their work ethics, and there are a lot of other factors to judge someone. Do you have that grit, that passion in you, or you're just here to earn some bucks? Your mentors want to see a spark in you. You know how I got the right mentors? You have to go to that extra mile, you have to do the extra job, take up the responsibility by yourself, and deliver more than what is asked for. Your mentor would notice and appreciate your efforts and would love to guide you. Sometimes you don't choose the mentor, it's vice versa. It's very important to pitch them in a right way. When you compliment them, make sure that it's about them and not their work position. Invest in their courses and show a genuine interest in them. Maybe you've read their book, their content, their blog, website, whatever. Just tell them that this specific thing I liked about you, and then ask them for a meeting in person or a phone call, whatever is comfortable to them according to their schedule. Please don't ask stupid questions. Nobody has that much of time and nobody wants to waste their energy. Be specific about your questions. Even if they say no to your offer, they will give you some solid and sound advice. Listen to that advice carefully and implement them in your life. I used to think that people who read books are boring nerds, but I was totally wrong. I mean, books provide a kind of wisdom that nothing can ever provide you. Go and invest in some good books. I know for that matter, authors put their heart and soul into their books. You know, if you want the best kind of wisdom content, please start reading books. I remember when I was writing my book, for complete 2 months, I was doing nothing else. Day in, day out, I was putting my all my efforts into that book. So I know how much it takes, and I have given my 200% in that book. Maybe I'll never be able to put that kind of content anywhere. So that is true. Please invest in some good quality books. I completely believe in this concept because I also have multiple mentors in my life. I believe that one mentor cannot has it all and know it all. Every individual has something special and we can learn from each and every person in our life. So invest in multiple mentors. So that's all in this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have doubts and if you like this video. And thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one.